What's up, guys? I hope that you're having an awesome day today. What do you think of my crazy dress that I'm wearing? I usually wear like way more chill clothes, and today I have had this dress. I got it at a clothing swap, and I've been like waiting for an excuse to wear it because like we're not so fancy in Hilo. So I was like, ooh, I can wear it today. It's like a beautiful day outside. I'm gonna film a video. And I was like talking to my landlord about something before I came down to film, and everything I was saying seemed like it was going in one ear, not the other, because she was just looking at my dress and she was like, the colors and the balls and the fringe. She's like, I love the movement. I'm just like, yeah. Anyway, so I need a copy of the lease. But anyway, that has nothing to do with what we're going to be talking about today. So I want to chat with you guys about the Woodstock Fruit Festival. Joey and I just purchased our tickets the other day. We go back to the East Coast every year, and it's like this big event for us, and the Woodstock Fruit Festival is part of that. And I'm really grateful that I do have family that lives on the Northeast coast, so we go back, we visit family, we go to the Woodstock Fruit Festival, and we usually go to New York City, go to our friend's lake house, and it's like this whole amazing like month-long journey so that we don't have to be like leaving the island multiple times a year. We just kind of do it all at one time. But the Woodstock Fruit Festival has been part of that journey like basically since it started. When we were first living in Arizona, the first time we heard about the Woodstock Fruit Festival was when we were like picking oranges at our friend's like grandfather's citrus orchard, and he's telling us about this festival. Oh, Mike Arnstein's gonna do this thing, and I go running with this guy, and we're like, oh my god, that sounds so cool, sign me up. So I remember just the excitement of the first one and just being like, oh my gosh, there's all these people that are like similar to me in one place. This is so cool. And the energy at that festival was just incredible. I just wanted to tell you guys a little bit about it because I'm going to be there. So if you're coming out to the festival, then we're going to get to meet this summer. And yeah, it's just one of the coolest places because they combine so many awesome things into one spot. Now, usually when you go on vacation, there's just so much that you have to plan and so much that you have to do. Think about like, where am I going to get my food? Especially if you're vegetarian, vegan, raw foodist. You got to think about, what am I going to eat? Are there healthy places around? You know, what are the other people I'm going on vacation with going to want to eat? Is that going to conflict with each other? And it's just so nice to show up at Woodstock and everyone's just eating whatever amazing fresh fruit and vegetable that they want. There's so many different options. There's tropical fruits. There's, you know, local fruits, tons of melons. It's just really nice to not have to think about food for the week and just eat what you enjoy and what's available. And there's also just so many like-minded people there. It's amazing when I know I've told this story before of like, there's so many people that show up to the Woodstock Fruit Festival and they get there and they meet someone who like lives in the town that they're in. And they've been feeling so kind of like isolated in their transition to eating healthier and wanting to have healthier habits. And then they meet people, sometimes more than one person, that lives in the same town as them, and now they're able to go back home and now they have new friends. And not to mention that you have friends all over too. So it's really cool. You know, sometimes when I travel or when people are traveling to Hawaii, it's people that I've met at the Woodstock Fruit Festival. So I meet up with different people that I've met there, and people come and visit me from that I've met at Woodstock. The activities are awesome. Have I said awesome a lot? Yeah, it's because it's awesome. So there's water sports, you can go swimming, you can go kayaking, you can jump on a water trampoline, you can go on a slide. There's yoga, there's fitness activities, there's different health classes going on. There's different, you know, kind of emotional, spiritual workshops, dances. There's just a lot happening in one spot. And I would love for you guys to join me out there. It's happening August 19th. And it's a week-long, Sunday to Sunday. And if you guys are thinking about signing up and you want to get $100 off your ticket, you can use the discount code LOVE. That is my discount code. It's going to be a lot of fun. I'm really looking forward to it. And yeah, ever since we bought our tickets, I just feel like, okay, I'm just in prep mode, getting ready, and super excited for the Woodstock Fruit Festival. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. You can click the link below to go to the page to sign up. And I hope to see you there. Use the discount code LOVE, and I will see you in another video soon. Bye.